everyone. My name is Brenda Hopkins. I'm the Chief Health Information Officer and General Manager for Healthcare at Consensus Cloud Solutions. And today I'm happy to be here with our partners, AWS, to talk about digital cloud fax and the partnership we have with Amazon. So when we talk about interoperability, maybe cloud fax or fax itself doesn't come to mind, but at a very basic level, fax remains the constant in interoperability, agnostic of system. And what I wanted to share with you are some of the reasons why that's happening today. So there's challenges we have in content sharing that start in the first place of compliance. So we live in a world of compliance where there's standards and we need transparency, and there's rules and regulations that guide different parts of the environment and different regions in ways we adopt those compliance standards. We also have non-standard terminology, and by that I mean labs are in LOINC, DICOM images, RX norm for pharmacy, and all of these content pieces do not equally share between systems. So the solution to all the disparity between the regulations like HIPAA, HITECH, and MACRA, and terminology and standards like HL7 and FHIR remain using digital cloud fax as a solution. So what we have in partnership, and this is the slide maybe you can take a look at for a while, is it's an unparalleled cloud fax infrastructure that has Amazon as a strong partner in the way we scale up and down based on business need. We have redundancy, we have regional co-locations that are able to provide 5 nines or 100% uptime for your data needs and sharing. And the reason that people move to cloud in healthcare now is because of the on-demand nature of it. You can transfer from CapEx to OpEx, and as your business grows, as you buy companies, as you take companies away, as businesses are spun up and spun down, you're able to move your subscription business quickly through those with a low startup costs and a quick go live. This allows, by the way, IT departments and different organizations to be able to focus on innovation, forward-facing client and patient engagement, and allow our company to take care of the back-end infrastructure along with Amazon in the cloud. So the end part, the takeaway for this is that although interoperability we strongly work toward in healthcare, we use FHIR standards, we use terminology standards, and we have ongoing partnership. Cloud fax remains a success strategy in all your cloud endeavors. It's easily implemented with RESTful APIs, and the total cost of ownership when you can move to this subscription model allows you to, again, scale up and scale down as part of your business, and has a easy-to-use partnership within the cloud for your other applications. Thank you.